does it feel like to drive a luxurious A-Class, which is a limousine, comes with great liner features in terms of interiors and looks are simply wow. I mean, coming with the longest wheelbase, tallest in its segment, and the space inside is generously wide. Well, what car is this? This is the Mercedes-Benz A200D limousine. Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur. You're watching VGR India, and today I'm driving Mercedes-Benz A200D limousine. We'll be sharing my reviews, so if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do it right away, and do not forget to press the bell icon because a lot of exciting content is coming on your way. So without much further delay, let's get started. Let's start with the exterior first. The one thing that you will notice is the beautiful Mercedes logo that sits boldly on the single slat grille, the long bonnet that lands on these beautifully triangular shaped LED DRLs. The look is so amazing that it actually gives a nice, classy and bold look to the car, adding to its name, which is the Mercedes. Coming to the sides, you will notice the single set of beautifully 17-inch alloys. And then if you follow towards the back, these lines add to its more youthful feeling of the car. Coming to the back of the car, well, you will see very less drama. You will notice that the back is subtle yet very bold, with LED tail lamps sitting beautifully at the back with reflector strips on the bumper. The whole look and feel of the car is very classy, and I must tell you that once this car is on the road, it's going to attract a lot of eyeballs. Well, it's time to sit inside the car and get that classic cocktail feeling. Well, yes, it does give you a nice classic cocktail lounge feeling inside the car. Well, absolutely, because the moment you will sit inside, you will be welcomed with this amazing interior, starting with the bold, chunky ledge black dashboard with the open pore wood detailing along with the classy cream upholstery. It will just woo you with its luxurious feeling. The rotary AC vents and evolution of the ones in the old CLA are particularly impressive and even feature ambient lighting. Well, talking about its ambient lighting, you will get a ton load of colors to choose from according to your mood and feel. And I can actually give you an exact number of the ambient lighting. Well, it is 64 color schemes that one can choose from. I personally have chosen the lounge theme, which will literally light up the mood. Just look how the dual tone lighting is making the whole ambience so relaxing and premium. Well, that's not it. The 10.25-inch infotainment panel offers you a lot of features. The MBUX experience is just outstanding. You get voice assistance where you just have to say, "Hey Mercedes," and give your instructions and it will follow. There's a total lag-free experience that you're gonna get. Apart from that, the couple of places that you can work on is the touchscreen panel. Another one is the middle area where you have the whole panel to operate from, and then you've got features on the steering wheel as well. As per your convenience, you can use it. So it all depends on you where you want to operate it from. You even get all the customizable digital instrument cluster layout. Other feel-good features are the wireless phone charging, dual zone climate control, a large sunroof, and power seats with the memory for the driver and the front passenger. Coming to the seats, well, of course, they are very comfortable. The A-Class is more of an owner-driven car, so in terms of the seating, you get a lot of legroom, plus the front is also very spacious. Like there's ample space on the doors. In the middle, you get a box to keep your stuff. The glove compartment is also very spacious to keep your documents and stuff. So that was the front seating. Now let's talk about the rear seating area. The space given at the back passengers here is very generous. You get ample amount of legroom, but one thing that I noticed is the headroom. For an average height person, it won't be a problem, but for a tall person, it will be a little discomfort as the headroom won't be enough for that person. Talking about the convenience at the back, well, the seats are damn comfortable and you get 2 AC vents at the back and 2 charging slots for your smartphones. In terms of luxury, 2 people can sit obviously comfortable at the back, but if you wish to get the third one, the person will be able to sit comfortably, but the middle will split your legs on the either sides. But one will enjoy the drive and will have a luxurious feeling. So now let's talk about how this beauty drives and the engine of the car. The car I'm driving is the diesel variant with 2.0-litre engine with 150 horsepower and 320 Newton meter, which is an instant hit. It does have a strong yet silent type to it. It too gets a class-leading ARAI figure 21.35 kpl and it claims to go 0 to 100 in just 8.2 seconds. It also uses the new 8-speed dual-clutch auto gearbox. It actually feels more refined in everyday use. This diesel variant is slightly firmer setup to bear the added weight of its engine, and you will feel more of the road in the cabin as you go along. The A200D also has a slightly heavier steering, and while I personally prefer that, many will like the easier helm of the petrol version. Well, the drive is kind of effortless and it gives you a sense of comfort while you drive it. So now it's time for the final verdict. But let me tell you the price of this car. So this particular diesel variant is priced at Rs 43.72 lakh ex-showroom. And the final verdict of the car? Well, it's quite simple. All said and done. The all-new Mercedes A-Class Limousine emerges out to be a very strong product which actually sets a new benchmark in this segment. The interiors, A1. The exterior, A1. And the driving experience has been very comfortable. It actually does give you a very luxurious and premium feeling to it. So that was my verdict and review of the Mercedes-Benz A200D Limousine. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching BGR India.